are using the Creator Insights tool wrong. So what you want to do, what everybody does, is they go in the all section and they're looking at all trending topics, and they aren't getting views and they aren't getting high rates. Their account is not growing because they are going in the all section where everybody is using these trending topics. But if you go in the content gap, that is going to be where it's all the trending topics, but there's not as many videos on those trending topics in the content gap. And that's just what the content gap means. It's the missing content on TikTok for the trending topics, if that makes sense. And if you want to learn more about this, click the link in our bio and contact Rsquare Media today. Or you can also text HELP to 646-249-3561. And you can schedule a free consultation today, no charge. And we'll take a look at your account, see what's going on, see what we can help you with, and teach you about the content gap a little bit more into depth. And reach out to us today and we will help you as soon as possible.